For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Ever feel like your kitchen slows down right when orders pile up? I've seen this happen during peak hours, and most of the time, the problem is weak heat. That's where this commercial gas stove with 90,000 BTU stands out. It's built for real restaurant pressure, not light use. With up to 90,000 BTU, this stove delivers strong, consistent heat for fast cooking. From hands-on kitchen experience, this level of power is ideal for large pans, continuous service, and high-volume orders. The thick cast-iron burners stay stable even during long shifts. The stove supports both natural gas and propane. It comes set for natural gas and includes accessories for easy propane conversion. I've worked with catering setups where this flexibility saved time and installation costs. Precise flame control knobs let you switch smoothly from high heat to low simmer without wasting energy. The stainless steel countertop wipes clean quickly, and removable drip trays help reduce grease buildup after service. The built-in storage cabinet keeps cookware, tools, and seasonings right where you need them. In tight kitchens, this improves workflow and cuts unnecessary movement. If you run a restaurant, cafeteria, hotel, or catering business, this stove helps you cook faster, stay organized, and keep service moving. From real kitchen use, it's the kind of equipment that works as hard as you do.